Hello, my name is Bill, and I decided to post this. I'd like to talk about black holes on something that I haven't seen discussed too much. Um, I'm wondering if black holes actually do not have an interior. And the reason why is take, for instance, the case of a neutron star. Now, if we had an astronaut walking on the surface of a neutron star and measuring the circumference, and then we also had someone out in space measuring the circumference of a neutron star at a distance. The astronaut on the neutron star will read less circumference than the distant observer. And that's because gravity causes time dilation, but also part and parcel of time dilation is length contraction. Time dilation does not happen without length contraction. So, this means that in the case of a black hole, at the event horizon, everything is moving at top speed, at the speed of light, which causes time dilation to no time and length contraction of zero length. So as an astronaut is approaching a black hole, as they get closer to the event horizon, time will slow down for them. Length will contract. And when they get to the point of the event horizon, time is stopped, length contraction is at a maximum, and that astronaut falling into the black hole looks like it's a singularity. It's gotten so small because of length contraction and time dilation that the person falling in basically falls onto a singularity. But from a distant observer, this black hole might be light weeks around in circumference. But at the event horizon, it becomes a point because of time dilation and length contraction. And this would mean that there is no interior to a black hole. It's not a firewall, it's just you can't go any further once you hit the event horizon. All areas of the event horizon are the same location. And I believe that this ties into the holographic principle. As quantum information hits the north pole of a black hole, because time dilation and length contraction are so severe, that same information hits the south pole at the same tick of the clock, meaning that the south pole and the north pole are the same thing. So in this case, there would be no interior to a black hole. From a distance, we would see that there's a large circumference. Maybe it takes light weeks to make it all the way around. But from the perspective at the event horizon, time dilation and length contraction shrink that down to almost nothing. And that would kind of describe how the holographic principle is able to have quantum information smeared or encoded across the entire horizon such that each particle is everywhere on the horizon at the same time. So I just wanted to get this idea out there. I'm not hearing it discussed too often. I think it makes a lot of sense. I've seen claims that there's universes inside black holes. That seems to be a larger step than my idea. And I think it makes a lot of sense. If I'm wrong about a person walking around a neutron star finding a smaller circumference, then I'm wrong about everything. And I guess, some other science explanation is the correct one. But it's predicated on that. So if any of you want to offer feedback and prove that astronaut on the surface of a neutron star would read the same circumference as a distant observer calculating it with 2 pi r. In any case, that's my idea, and feel free to reply. I'm not going to be, a person that's going to be snippy with people. I'm here just discussing ideas. I want this a place for ideas. We can discuss ideas. Even if you think there's purple dragons inside, I'd like to know why you think that. And let's discuss this and let's try to find out more about the universe together. Have a great day.